Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the recent update rolled out by the Apple for the Apple devices. So last month they have released iOS 14.1. So now they have released the update for the Apple devices, that is iOS 14.3. So we will see what are the new updates or what are the changes comes in the new update. So go to the about settings. Here you will see that software version 14.1 previously. Now so let us go to general settings and software update. So let us check the updates. Now the Apple iPad OS 14.3 is available to download it. See, Apple iPad OS 14.3 Apple include. The size of this update is 919 MB, that is almost 1 GB. So they have written iPad iOS 14.3 includes support for Apple Fitness Plus and AirPod Max. This release also includes privacy information on the App Store and includes other features and bugs for your iPad. So we will see what are the updates or the changes that you have made in this update. So first click download and install. So it will ask the passcode, enter it. So it is downloading. See, update requested. So it will estimate the time and the update will download. So while the process is going, we will see what are the changes they have made in this update. So click on the learn more. So here they have mentioned everything. iOS 14.3 includes support for Apple Fitness and AirPods. So this release also includes privacy information and everything. So Apple Fitness Band, Fitness Plus, a new fitness experience powered by Apple Watch with studio style works available on your iPad, iPhone and Apple TV, Apple Watch Series 3 also. So new fitness app on iPad. So video workouts added each week in a 10 popular workout types: high tension and return cycling, yoga, cat strength, dance, rowing, treadmill and mindful color downs. These are the updates they have included in the Apple Fitness Plus, and they also support 8 AirPods Max. So support for AirPod Max that was released recently by the Apple. So now new over-ear headphones, high fidelity audio for rich audio equalization and active noise cancelling, everything they have. And the photo, in the photos also they have improved a lot more, because in the iPhone 12 they have improved a lot more camera. So for that they have added this feature. Apple Pro RAW photos can be edited in the Photos app. So in this iOS app you have Photos app. So in that itself you have added the Apple Pro RAW photos in the Photos app. The options for recording at 25 mbps. So they have now included the option to record the video at 25 frames per second. Then mirror the front facing camera for still photos on iPad Pro first generation and iPad 5th generation and later iPad mini 4 and iPad Air 2. So mirroring front face camera for still photos. So while that is like when you stand in front of the mirror, it will show like two photos, no? Like that they will mirror the front camera. This option also they have got new privacy information section on the app they have included. So TV app also they have included, and top search, enhanced search bar and top search results all in one new app. TV Plus Maker they have a lot more, and app clips, support for app clips and air quality, then Safari browser, and these are the updates they have included in this update. So we will see once the update was downloaded and installed. So this, what are the changes made in the iPad iOS 14.3 compared to the previous iOS 14.1. So click on done. See, now only 2% is remaining to download the full update. Just keep it there. It will download. Once download is completed, the update will install, and we will see what are the changes made in this update by the Apple products. So it will take some time, so we have to wait until the download is completed. See, almost update is downloaded, only 12 seconds remaining to complete the download. See, only 1 second is remaining. Yeah, preparing update. See, update is preparing to install it. So once preparing is completed, it will install and it will ask the install the update. So it will pop up the window. Yeah, preparing update is almost completed. So let us install it. See, now the iOS update was downloaded. See here, downloaded. Now click on install now button, so it will install the update. So click on install now. So verifying the update. So once verification is completed, it will start to install the update. See, now the system was restarting to update the install. Yeah, see the update process is started. Yeah, see the arrow mark. Update is going on. It will take few minutes to install the update, so let us wait until the update is completed. Install. See, the update process is going on. See, the update process is going on. Update is completed. To install the update, it will take some time to install it, so you have to wait patiently until the update install. Let us wait. Almost 30-40% is completed. Remaining percent will take few minutes to install it, so let us wait. See, almost update is completed. So now the update is completed. So let us log in using this. See, go to the settings. We will see whether update is completed or not. Just about, go to the about settings. See the software version 14.3, model name iPad 5th generation. So this is the update they have rolled out, iOS 14.3. So let us check whether any updates are there available for us right now. So see, iOS 14.3, your software is up to date. So this is the update rolled out by the Apple for their Apple devices, iOS 14.3. So we have already discussed what are the changes made in this update. The first one is Apple AirPods and Apple AirPod Max, and the Photos app. You can edit the photos. See, if you take the photos, so you can edit Pro Camera app in the itself in this photo app. So remaining in a TV app also they have included PhotoQuest, and so like this, these are the updates they have been updated in the iOS 43. Later I will do a separate video for that. What are the updates, and we will compare the updates compared to the previous update. So what are the features and available in the iOS 14.1 and iOS 14.3. So like this, I will upload lot more videos about technology, unboxing videos and software tips and software updates. So if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.